morning from Torres del Paine National Park. Today is our last day in the Chilean Patagonia here, which is very sad. We've just driven like a good hour along bumpy roads in pitch dark to try and get to the base of Mirador Condor, which is about a half an hour hike, really not too difficult. There's no wind, like totally calm. Looks like it's going to be an amazing sunrise. So it's time to hit the trail. Mirador Condor, let's go. I think, as many of you know, I used to be an adventure tour leader down here in South America and was very lucky to have many opportunities to come right here to Torres del Paine National Park in Patagonia and do the famous W Trek. And I feel like it's a good opportunity to show you right here behind me with the Torres del Paine Cuernos and the Paine Grande mountain, the actual W, which starts on the right hand side, and you walk around from the Torres, which are sort of around the back there, in front of the Cuernos into the Valle Francés, which is right in the middle, and that's the middle part of the W, and then out and around Paine Grande there into the Grey Glacier Valley, which is on the left hand side. And that effectively, that whole trek is the famous W route, and we have a perfect view from Mirador Condor, and it's just such an easy, quick half-hour hike to get up here. Not if you're running, then it's a little bit more difficult, but to be up here in the morning with no wind with these guys is just absolutely incredible. Such a good way to end the last morning of the Patagonia workshop. So I'm getting some quality vlog advice from Mr. Thomas Heaton, and funny enough, we were talking this morning about having to run up the hill and like being late and chasing the sunrise and stuff, and I tried to record a bit of that, but the microphone was unplugged, which is absolutely hilarious. So when you're in a rush to catch a light like this, that's when you make the little mistakes, but it's all real. It's happening in real time, and that's just things I need to learn about the YouTube space and creating real stories, and that's a part of it. So everyday life, things happen, and luckily I have the microphone plugged in now so you can hear me, which is great. Absolutely stunning. So, if you can believe this, Mr. Greg is getting the chance to do a bit of photography. Very nice to see this light just sort of filter across the valley here in front of us. We're getting incredible compositions on the Cuernos. So I've set up the 5D3 with the 24 to 70, and I've got the Lee Filters foundation kit on the front with a Softgrad 0.6 filter and defilter, and getting a really nice sort of composition of that back valley with the light streaming through. I've learned a lot about photography and composition during this workshop, and even though I'm here for a job and a travel videography assignment with T-Heat and BVS, it's nice that there's an opportunity for me to get a couple of images off as well, because at the end of the day it is all about getting the photo and sharing it with you and sharing it with my family and friends at home, and bringing you along for the ride. So,
the hell are you doing? You get back to work. We've got participants here trying to take some photographs. I need some B-roll. You're here gallivanting with a bloody camera and a filter, thinking that you're taking photographs when you should very much well be working, Greg. It's unacceptable.
It's time to head down. That was an incredible photo session this morning. Some great B-roll of this guy, and really good light. Did you get the shot you were hoping for?
I got more than the shot. I got like 2 or 3.
Nice. So be sure to go and check out Tom's video. That was a lot of fun, really. We got really lucky with some great light. Now it's time to go see Mr. BVS and the other part of the photography workshop, see how they went on, and drive down to Punta Arenas. So yeah, it's been a great start so far to the vlog. I swear I could probably fill like a whole 10-minute vlog with just this morning. It's tempting. I should do that.
Do it.
All right, let's go. I'm wearing a t-shirt in Patagonia. What?
No, no. Not that camera.